Hi there, welcome back to our YouTube channel. I'm Bruna with Elements Room San Antonio, and today I'd like to show you a little bit of your shopping experience with us. So as soon as you walk through the door, there's going to be 2 sign-in stations at our lobby area, and here's one of them. And all you have to do is just sign in by scanning with your phone.
As you walk through our doors, you'll notice there's a lobby area with 2 sign-in stations as well as a beautiful natural stone desk made from one of our exclusive Brazilian quartz sites. Here you'll also find a sales representative ready to help you with your selections. You can either call to make an appointment or walk in. And if you don't have an idea of what type of stone you're looking for, we can provide you with an illustrated stone guide to get you started. We also recommend that you look through our website at elementsroom.com, where we have a live inventory reflecting which slabs are available in each location.
And after knowing all of this wonderful information, we dive into colors, textures, and finishes. Come on in.
We may also ask if you're interested in natural stones such as quartzites, marbles, granites, onyx, or man-made stones such as porcelain and quartz.
And don't forget to check out our social media, especially our Facebook page, because we do have a deal of the week. And I will see you next time.